Okay, so this lady and their family are literally feeding the seagulls.
That's why they're all flying around here.
Yes, it's a great way. It's a great technique to teach your kids when they grow up. Oh, mommy, they always taught me to feed the seagulls.
So let's throw them pieces of bread so they can flock around us.
Oh yeah, totally. Yeah, just feed them. Clean your hands off. But feed the seagulls.
Like what?
Because that makes perfect sense.
Of course it does. Wash your hands and touch the seagulls because the seagulls are so clean.
Hey, wash your hands before you touch the AC. But it's okay to feed the seagulls. Something just tells me that this family just came from like a trailer park.
They're rednecks.
Look, just feeding it.
So entertaining.
Oh no. Aww. It's a family gathering. This is what we do at the beach. We feed the seagulls. Why? Just somebody please tell me why you would feed the seagulls. Is that like a family event that you do annually? You come to the beach and you feed the seagulls? It's like, oh mommy, can I feed the seagull? No, let's all feed it once so they all just come around. Like, oh yeah, that's
Oh, they're all sitting there waiting to get fed.
Oh yeah, that's really hygienic.
Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah, just come towards me.
Stop. Did you see that? They were all sitting there, just waiting for food.
Oh no.
Oh my god.
I better not get shot on.
Please stop. Oh, good luck. Oh my god, you see this?
Oh my god. You gotta be kidding me.
It's too much.
Oh my god, look, this guy is holding up a chip. He's holding up a chip. They're literally, wow.
Just no.
Has no self-respect for anyone on the beach. I'm gonna call him as the seagull family. Like, really?
Sure, okay. Let's make all the seagulls come over here to annoy the shit out of everybody.
The seagulls wait as the family prepares more food. This guy's like going in the Pringle can, like, oh, we need more Pringles. We need more feeding food.
Hey babe, let's show them what food we brought to the beach.
Oh god, yeah, let's just
So what did we bring to the beach today?
you don't want to go in there.
Why?
Everything's probably all melted and yucky. Except for the water.
Well, let me look.
You don't want to look. I don't know. I'm scared.
Well, there's ice cream.
Well, there's ice
Melting on your thing.
melting on my what?